Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the frustrating SUD code on your LG washer, don't worry, we're going to sort this out together. This error, especially in 2025 models, usually means there's too much SUDs in the machine, which can happen if you're using too much detergent or if there's a buildup of residue. It's a common issue, but it's totally fixable with a few simple steps. Let's dive in and get your washer running smoothly again. First off, safety first. Make sure the washer is turned off and unplugged to avoid any accidents. This code often pops up because of excess soap suds, so we'll start by addressing that. Open the detergent drawer and remove any leftover soap. If you see suds overflowing, carefully wipe them away with a cloth. Wear gloves to protect your hands. Next, check the drain filter. Most LG washers have a filter at the bottom front. It's usually behind a small panel. Unscrew it, and you'll likely find lint, coins, or gunk buildup causing the problem. Clean it thoroughly under running water, and make sure it's completely dry before putting it back. While you're at it, inspect the drain hose for any blockages. Straighten it out if it's kinked and ensure it's not clogged. Now, run a maintenance cycle. Select the Tub Clean or Clean Washer option on your LG control panel, and add a cup of white vinegar to help dissolve any remaining suds. This should reset the machine and clear the error. If the SUD code persists, it might be due to using the wrong detergent. Stick to high efficiency, heat types and measure carefully to avoid overusing. To prevent this in the future, always follow the detergent guidelines in your washer's manual and clean the filter every few months. If you've tried all this and the code keeps coming back, it could be a more serious issue like a faulty pump, so it's time to call a professional technician. There you have it. Your LG washer should be good as new. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home fix-it tips. See you next time.